If you're having trouble adding a story to your Instagram highlights, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some easy steps to resolve this issue and get your stories into highlights smoothly. Let's get started. First things first, ensure your story is saved in your archive. Instagram automatically saves your stories in the archive, but you need to make sure this feature is turned on. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines and select archive. Make sure your story is visible here. Sometimes issues are fixed in newer versions of the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update the app if there's an update available. Now close the app completely and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Check if there's any issues with your account. Make sure there are no restrictions or bans on your account that could prevent you from adding stories to highlight. If you have received any notification from Instagram about your account status, follow their instructions. Now try adding a highlight to your story. Click on New and choose the highlight that you want to keep and click on Next. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to fix the issue and successfully add your stories to highlight.